Hi, I am a cat. My name is Egypt. I am sponsoring the Nerf Nuke because they're really good at what they do. The Nerf Nukes make music, animation. They even use Nerf guns. Surprisingly, no nukes. It's pretty awesome still, either way. And it just makes me want to jump to conclusions. So I like this. I like the Nerf Nukes. They're good. They make some good videos. Yeah. Don't they make good videos? They make really good videos. Yeah, watch their videos. Sponsor them. Yeah. I only have 30,000, 40,000 views. Sponsor them. Yeah. Woo, I'm sponsoring them. Woo, woo, yeah. Egypt and scene.